Hi, this is Broden from Vernon Toyota, and I just wanted to take a minute to make a quick video to explain to you some of the function of Toyota's smart key system. With the smart key system, you can unlock your doors by simply grabbing the door handle and not having to use any of the buttons on the key fob. To lock it, you simply push the sensor, which is shown by these two lines on the left side of the handle. By default, doing this on the passenger side will unlock all of the car's doors, and the driver's just the driver's side. If you go into your vehicle's menu, you have the ability to customize these door lock settings within the vehicle setup, vehicle customization, and door lock settings. So here you can go through and customize how you unlock and lock your vehicle. To start the car, you simply put your foot on the brake and push the start-stop button. So long as the key is located within the vehicle, it will fire up. Pushing the start-stop button once without your foot on the brake will allow you to access accessory mode. You can see it labeled on the dash here to let you know which mode it's in. Pushing it a second time will turn the vehicle on without actually starting the vehicle, again without your foot on the brake. These different modes will allow you to access the vehicle's electronics without actually starting it. And then to start it, put your foot on the brake and push the start-stop button. So that just touches on some of the questions that we get about the smart key system frequently when doing deliveries. Hopefully I was able to teach you something you didn't know.